Who manages the composition of a commodity basket index? In recent news, investors are buzzing about the management of commodity basket indices. With the rise in commodity trading, understanding who oversees these indices is more important than ever. Many people are searching for clarity on how these indices are structured and who is responsible for their composition. The composition of a commodity basket index is typically managed by the index provider or the organization that creates and maintains the index. These entities are responsible for selecting the commodities included in the index, determining their weights, and periodically rebalancing the index to reflected market conditions and investment objectives. For instance, well-known commodity indices like the Standard & Poor's Goldman Sachs Commodity Index and the Bloomberg Commodity Index are managed by financial institutions or index providers. These organizations set the rules for inclusion and weighting of commodities such as energy, metals, and agricultural products. Management involves monitoring market liquidity, production data, and economic factors to adjust the index composition as needed. This ensures that the index accurately reflects the current state of the commodity markets. In the context of investing in commodities, funds such as exchange-traded funds or mutual funds that track these indices often follow a passive approach. They replicate the index composition as defined by the index manager rather than actively managing the commodity weights themselves. This approach provides investors with diversified exposure to a broad range of commodities without the need for active selection by the fund managers. Thus, the responsibility for managing the composition of a commodity basket index lies with the index providers. They apply specific methodologies to maintain the index's relevance and representativeness of the commodity markets. Fund managers then use these indices as benchmarks or templates for their investment products. Understanding who manages these indices can help investors make informed decisions about their investments in commodities. With the market constantly changing, staying informed about index management is key for anyone interested in the sector.